I mean, teachers have evolved a lot, right? I mean, we've seen, at least through our juniors, they've quickly adapted to this new system, and that shows like how capable they are to think on their feet. But once again, yeah, I mean, it's puts a huge stress on the teaching industry, mainly in that many of these teachers are not as up to date with technology as they would preferably be. So there must be some sort of way to teach them, to teach the teachers, like how to handle these kind of technologies and stuff.
No, I definitely think trainings for teachers will be more frequent on the use of like video call or some other video platform to teach students. I think the government will undertake more trainings, and it's actually good also because it's for the first time teachers are not just adapting to a new syllabus but adapting to a new teaching style all the different.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just about a new syllabus, a new way. Their teaching style itself has to change, right? Because
Yeah,
many
exactly.
of them are used to, say, writing on the boards or
Okay.
stuff like
Yeah.
that, and now it's a different system, and they cannot monitor these students the way they used to. I remember many teachers telling me the look on your face says exactly what you're doing.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
this is not something they'll be able to do now. So yeah, they have to adapt. And if I know one thing, the teaching industry is the most equipped to adapt, and they'll do that sooner or
Yeah,
later.
that's true. Wait, what do you have to say about this?
No, I completely agree with Avyay. Except for the face, and like the teacher not being able to see the student's face while teaching, that can change, right? Because as far as I know, in Zoom you can force them to open their
Yeah,
webcam,
yeah.
or you can, I don't know, force them to speak up also. I mean, it's not as intuitive as a real classroom, but I can see it getting to that level.
Okay, obviously exams are something we've always written by with pen and paper. As in schools and stuff, it's always a pen and paper based exam. How do you think this is going to change? Because this is school based exams have not even like seen an online platform till date in India. So what do you think is going to change about this round?
See, I mean, I don't think it's practical to conduct exams online with the person taking the exam sitting at home. You're gonna see a
Yeah.
lot of cases of cheating and stuff like that. So, but on the bright side, yeah, I think they will be more open to shifting the whole examination and teaching processes onto online systems. Like they did it with JEE Advanced quite a long time back. Like at least I think it was they started online exams 4 or 5 years ago, and it's been working out really well for them logistically. And this also brings me to another point where basically in you've all heard of Khan Academy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in Khan Academy, Sal Khan, the CEO, he's always had this outlook that intelligence isn't something that's inherent in a person.
Measured by exams.
You can increase your intelligence with practice and persistence. So online platforms and which the education sector is now moving into it, they can really help enable that, because I'm sure all of you have used Khan Academy quite a bit, right?
Yeah.
So you always have that flexibility
Yeah.
where if you don't understand a topic, you can always go back and rewatch the video as many times as it takes to understand it, and it teaches you that it's not really exams that help you achieve mastery. It's your persistence to the subject that's going to help in the end. And this whole crisis, it's really helping push the entire sector into adopting education. Adopting technology into education.
Yeah, that's completely understandable, right? I mean, that's something they'll have to do in a scenario like this. And this will perhaps better equip them because, as just like what you said, Ram, there is a lot of, yeah, okay, so there's a lot of stuff available online, a lot of learning capabilities. So this is something that the teachers will now be equipped to use, and that will perhaps help education of the children.
Hey guys, that was a short clip from our main episode. If you like the clip, you can click on the link in the description and view the link for our entire episode. You can also listen to us on Spotify, YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and more soon. I sincerely hope you were entertained. Like, share, and subscribe to the Noise Podcast.